Do not speak to me or my son ever again. So this is my child. I grew him. So yeah, I don't live in an area where watermelons are known to grow particularly well, but I saw some rather nice looking heirloom watermelon plants at my local hardware store, and I couldn't resist, and to my surprise it actually grew a watermelon. There are a couple other like little babies, but I don't think they're gonna actually turn into watermelons. I think this is all we're getting, because it's September. It's kind of late in the season for fruit like this. This watermelon actually grew on my front step. Most of the watermelon vine like died immediately. Like it exploded, it got huge, and then it immediately died off. And this particular watermelon, like the vine went through the tomato plant, through the like handrail thing, and started growing a watermelon right on the step, on the front step, and it was the only one that grew, so I'm hoping that it'll be a good watermelon. But it's pretty heavy, and I honestly can't tell the difference in like what makes a watermelon ripe, but it has the thing, and like it kind of makes a thump thump sound. I don't know. We're gonna see if there's actually like any fruit inside of this, or if it's all like a disappointing giant mass of rind. Okay, my kitchen is kind of messy, but it's time. Let's cut this boy open. I had a dream literally last night that it was like perfect once I cut it open, but I don't want to get my hopes too low. Alright, so here's what our bad boy looks like on the inside. It's definitely not 100% right, but there is like some areas in here that like got a little bit more cooked than the others. So I do still want to like taste it with you guys and have this moment together, even though it is definitely not totally ripe. It still smells like watermelon. It still smells good. And it does have like a lot of water in it. So I don't know, taste can be deceiving. It genuinely just tastes like the watermelon that I get at the store. I don't know if that says more about the watermelon that you get at the store or if it says more about my growing skills. Oh, that doesn't taste like anything. Let's get a good up close shot post me taking my couple little bites. Like you can see how there's some in here, and this part kind of tastes like watermelon, but then you get over to here where it's a little bit more rindy, and this part just tastes like rind. It doesn't taste like anything. So that's disappointing, but I mean, I really wasn't expecting it to come out perfect anyway. Alright friends, I don't know what this video was, but I did a thing for the first time and I wanted to share it with you guys because why not? I mean, the silver lining is that this is a seeded watermelon, so I can always take the seeds and save them for next year and try again next year. So I think I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna see if I grow a watermelon next year. Alright friends, that's it for this video. I hope everybody has a good day. I hope everybody has some actually good fruit to eat today, and I will see you all next time. Bye!